championship. So may suspecha kami na siya ilalaban. Pero ngayon na medyo importante na siya, hindi na sila makaindi doon. Para makasigurado ako, gusto ko dito laban. Yung champion labanan niya. And we're willing to win that. That's why that will be arranged by Rick Nabalta. But Rick Nabalta is the head of the Homeland Security in the Philippines before, but he just retired. And he's now with our team. So he will arrange that if possible, the fight will be here in the Philippines. Championship. So we are willing to be at the championship here if there will. Hindi iwasan nila eh. So dito parang tayo daya. Kaya may daya rin kasi pagpalit, pinalit, gigante. Yun ang ginawa sa akin kay Manny Pacquiao. Kasi